very reliable commercial fryer. It all starts with the polishing of invisible details, precision crimping from power cord terminals, regular treatment of each wire, firmly control the circuit foundation, safety, as small as a terminal, a piece of wire. We all adhere to standardized processes, eliminate late leakage, exposure to adverse hazards. Electrical safety is firmly guarded from the source. The internal electronic control system of the whole machine is debugged one by one. Dual independent temperature control panels, precise adjustment of oil temperature, regardless of fried chickens, chips, fritters, and other fried goods. The corresponding temperature can be set. Precise temperature control and fuel economy. The fried ingredients are evenly colored. It doesn't happen from the outside. Switches, relays, and thermostats all use national standard accessories. Can stand up to long hours of uninterrupted openings of catering stores day after day. Deep pot large capacity design. Stalls, snack bars, fast food restaurants, canteens can hold. Meal delivery efficiency is directly improved. From parts processing, manual assembly, power on detection, to the final product warehousing and packaging. Each fryer will only leave the factory after going through the whole process quality inspection. Vertical large capacity electric frying furnace, single cylinder, double cylinder, a variety of spots. Wooden box reinforced packaging. Logistics long distance transportation is not afraid of collision and damage.